Here's how to share a ride created and saved in Harley Ride Planner. First, go to your saved rides and find the ride that you'd like to share and click either preview or edit. Go to the share icon, left click, share to Facebook, Twitter, or copy the web link. We'll select Facebook. We can type something about the file, like, and I'm going to share to a news group. So we'll share in a group, begin typing the name of the group, select it, and then I have to move this little post to Facebook. That's how easy it is. If you'd rather share the link in an email, left click copy web link, and I'll bring up Notepad, paste, and you can see the URL to the place where the file's been saved. That does it. Thank you.